I'm in the forward cargo of Boeing 787, and today we need to replace recirculation filters which are part of the air conditioning system, and they're located behind that wall. So let's take a look at it. So first thing first, before we start with the replacement of the recirculation filters, I need to pull CBs. So I'm manual and I'm climbing up through the stairs. As usual, long range is fun for climbing. So let's see if we actually get space in the cockpit. So cockpit is pretty busy, but my colleague pulled them for me. But I'll show you later on when we're gonna close them. It was only 2 for these filters, so we can start now. Now we are in the forward cargo of 787, and our filters are over there. In the middle you can see the mixing duct, and there are your connections, which comes from the air conditioning system. So here you have a wall which actually covers this section, because the whole cargo needs to be fireproof. So yeah, we already removed it because we found small damage, so it went to the shop for the fix. And meanwhile we will replace the filters. I have my mask because of course I don't want to breathe whatever comes out of that, and the gloves. So let me show you how it holds. It is secured thanks to this arm over here on the side, and then we have here a few bolts with which it is secured to the structure. They're sealed as well, so I need to first remove the sealant, and then we can pull the filters out. Yeah, so, and we need to change both of them. So let's start. So I have my mask, I have my scraper and the gloves, and let's remove the sealant. It's actually quite easy. It's good type of the sealant. So it's bolt number 2 and bolt number 3. Yes, easy going. So we can start with the bolts. That is quite low torque, so it's okay. Bolt number 1, bolt number 2. And bolt number 3, all the way in the back. Great. One arm and the other one, and from now on filter should be free. Now, why do we actually have here these filters? We recycle the air from the airplane, just part of it, but still we need to be sure that the recycled air is clear. So for that we use the HEPA filters, and then as you can see they're massive, and we have 2 of them. Through this HEPA filter the air continues into the recirculation fan, and then it is again distributed into the airplane. And again, it is only small portion of the air which is reused, because most of the air is coming from the outside. But anyway, we need to be sure that the recycled one is in good condition, and for that we have here these massive HEPA filters. So let's take this one out and we will bring the new one. So we can pack the old filter. And we can take it out. So here we have our brand new filter. Which we can bring up. And then we can install it. Let's put the new filter on the place. And it sits quite nicely. That's one. Number 3. So gently tied it on the place. And in the end we can torque it. It's 1, 2, and number 3. Good. Those are screws. Now we'll secure it thanks to arms. So that's 1. Now number 2. It is secured on the place. Now we just need to perform resistance check on the anchor nut and on the bolt against the structure. And yeah, then we can seal it. Okay, so
measuring the same point?
Nut plate now.
The grounding point. 0.15
milliohm. And now the bolt. 1.3. I'll try it from the bottom.
0.11, 0.1. Yeah.
Good.
Should be okay.
Very nice. Good. So we can seal this one. So this is our second filter. New one is already in a place, so we can screw it back on.
And installation is basically the same as on the previous filter, which means that we install 3 bolts, we tied them, torque them, we will install 2 arms on the side, then we'll perform resistance check, and once this is done we can seal all bolts. Once we are done in the cargo, we move to the cockpit where we need to close the CBs, and this is modern airplane, so most of the CBs are controlled thanks to the computer, which means that we will unlock them and then we will close them. Once this is done, we need to perform leak check, and that means that we will switch on the lower recirculation fan and we will go back to the cargo and take a look around the filter.
And as the last, we need to install the aft wall, and compared to Airbus it is way easier to install because you have just clips on which it holds. So aft wall is installed, and actually it's quite interesting to put it on the place, but yep, it's done. We can move to the next task. That's all about lower recirculation fans. If you have any questions, please write down in the comments below. And as always, guys, I would like to ask you to don't use this as a replacement for a maintenance manual, but always use latest documentation released by manufacturer. Big thanks to Austrian Airlines that they let me record all these videos for you. Big thanks each and everybody who is watching my videos, and especially to members. That's all from my side. My name is Tomáš, this is Recirculation Maintenance with Zeto, and I will see you next video. Bye.